Hello, and welcome back to the Spoony Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoony Stitcher, this is the Stitchery, and today we are going to do a quick tip. I am very excited to share with you the false French knot. Have you ever struggled doing the French knot technique for your eyes? Well, you don't have to struggle anymore, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. What you will need is a piece of yarn, typically black, but it can be in any color, a yarn needle, bent tip is always the best for this kind of project, and a pair of scissors. So, what you're going to do is, actually, we don't need her or this right now. Okay. You are going to tie knots. You are first going to cross the two, wrap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Wrap 3 times on the other side. 1, 2, 3. And keep your fingers inside. Gently pull the 2 sides. You can remove them now. Gently, gently pull tight so it's small like an eye. And then you can always finesse it if you need to and kind of push the 2 sides. And there you go. Get whatever you're putting an eye on. Get your needle. Thread the needle. Sometimes this can be the hardest part. You're going to take your little eye and place it where you want it to go. I think it would be best about here. So I'm going to take one end, and on the opposite side of where I want the eye, I'm going to go through to the back. Make sure I am between the stitches. This is very important. Don't go in a stitch, go between a stitch. And pull. And then take it off your needle. But don't pull too hard because you'll pull the little eye through. Then you're going to take the other side, put it back on your needle. Pick a spot that is near the spot you went in, but not the same place. So let's see, about here I think is good. And try to come out the same spot. Okay? And pull. But again, not too hard. Gently pull. Oop, I must have caught some fluff. There we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the 2 ends, and if you came out the exact same spot, this shouldn't be a problem. You're going to knot them, which will pull your eye in just a little bit. And you can do it twice if you want to. I usually never have to. Rethread the needle, go through the same hole, come out another place, typically somewhere where you can't see it. And cut the yarn. Do that to the other side. Go in the same hole. Doesn't matter where you come out this time. And there you go. It has an eye. So just repeat the exact same thing you did for the second eye, and then you'll have a matching set of eyes, and they should be the exact same size because of what you did. Remember wrapping and counting how many times you did on each side? That ensures an even eye. Thank you for joining me today. Have you ever done the false French knot? I want to know. Let me know down below. What did you think of this? Did you think this was a neat trick? Have you tried it before? Let me know in the comments. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn Zebra family. Have a great day, and remember, Spoonies can stitch it up too. Goodbye!